Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to give NFL Sunday ticket as a gift. I actually spent an hour in chat with YouTube last Sunday, like trying to buy a Sunday ticket for my friend, only to be told that I could not do so without logging in as him and buying that way. Kind of ruins the surprise. So what I found that you can just come here to nflshop.com and come here to gift card. You can just buy them a gift card, right? So what I bought for them was an electronic gift card. You just send it to them. You can do via email, or you can send it to your own email and then send them the code, right? And another thing you can do, guys, is just buy, a Google Play gift card, because you can actually buy it from YouTube TV, right? The subscription. So you give them a Google Play gift card, which they can use on their YouTube TV. That is another option as well. Okay. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. Just pick their favorite team and send them the gift, right? So I hope this guy provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.